We've waited a long time for this moment, haven't we? Plaid Cymru stands on the tipping point of history. In May, Cymru can at last be led by a party that will fight every day for a better future. A party that will be governed by the people of Wales, not London bosses, who won't stay silent for fear of embarrassing any colleagues in Westminster or shortchange our nation to fatten the coffers of Whitehall. In Plaid Cymru, Wales can at last be governed for the benefit of our people, with Rhun ap Iorwerth as our First Minister. Isn't it time that were the case? That future stands ready for our footsteps, but we cannot be complacent because the rancor of reform is tearing through our communities. We know that Farage and his followers offer no answers or vision. They seek only to sow division, to use our Senedd as a stepping stone for their ambitions elsewhere. They are not serious people. They offer no serious solutions. How insulting it was to hear Farage talk about reopening the mines in our valleys. A man who knows nothing of our history, championing an industry that exploited and ravaged our people and left scars to litter our skyline.